Tourism SEO in Las Vegas is all about connecting visitors with the city's unique attractions, tours, and seasonal experiences. Success starts with understanding different traveler segments, like leisure tourists, convention attendees, and international visitors, and aligning content with peak demand periods tied to major events and holidays. Effective keyword mapping focuses on high-intent searches for tours, shows, and local experiences, prioritizing phrases that match users' planning and booking stages. Creating valuable content is essential. This includes detailed itineraries, best-of lists, insider tips, and real-time guides for ticket availability. Optimizing Google business profiles with up-to-date information and engaging visuals helps attractions appear in local and map pack searches, which are crucial for mobile users. For hotels and hospitality, strong technical SEO, clear website structure, and mobile-friendly design drive direct bookings. Optimizing for voice search and collecting guest reviews further boosts rankings and trust. Collaborating with local businesses and producing engaging content like 360 degrees tours and destination guides enhances authority and reach. Combining organic SEO with paid campaigns, social media, and influencer partnerships maximizes visibility. Tailored service packages ensure strategies fit each property's needs, while compliance measures are vital for casino-related marketing. Together, these approaches create a powerful digital presence for Las Vegas tourism and hospitality businesses.